Welcome students. Few more problems from exercise 3.2 based on exterior angle property of a polygon in this video. So question number 3, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Now we have the formula for measure of exterior angle. It is equal to 360 degree upon n. Why this formula? Because sum of all exterior angle of any polygon is always 360 degree. And it is a regular polygon. That means all the interior angles will be equal. Similarly, all the exterior angles will be equal. Is it okay? So each exterior angle can be obtained by dividing 360 degree by number of sides. So now if we want to find out number of sides, can we divide 360 by measure of each exterior angle, that is 24 degree? Then whatever answer we will obtain will be sides. Are you getting? Now sides will be always a whole number. It cannot be 2.5 or something. That means this 24 degree or measure of an exterior angle should be factor of 360 degree, or it should divide 360 degree completely. Why? Because number of sides will be always an positive integer. Are you getting this important point? So we are going to use the property of exterior angle of a property, which tells us sum of all exterior angles of regular of any polygon is 360 degree. Is it clear? So let us go for the solution. Let the number of sides be x. Is it okay? So sum of exterior angles of a regular polygon will be equal to 360 degree. Now therefore number of sides, that is equal to x, will be equal to 360 degree upon 24 degree. Perform the division, you will get the answer as 15. That means that particular regular polygon should have 15 sides. So if we know the measure of exterior angle, we can find out the sides for a regular polygon. Is it clear, children? Similarly, if we know the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon, then also we can find the sides. How? So now we know that all the interior angle, they form linear pair with the exterior angle. So if interior angle is 165 degree, what is the measure of exterior angle? Can we find? So it will be 180 minus measure of interior angle, that is 165. So you can find measure of exterior angle, and as in the previous question, we can again find out the number of sides. One thing you should remember, children, the angle sum property of a polygon, it varies. That means sum of interior angle changes with number of sides. But sum of exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degree. Is it clear? So let us go for the solution. So first we find out the measure of exterior angle, as it forms linear pair with the interior angle. It is equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree, that is equal to 15 degree. Now if we want to find out number of sides, we will divide 360 by 15 degree, that is measure of and each exterior angle, and that comes out to be 24. So how many sides will be there for that particular polygon? 24 sides. So it is 24 sided regular polygon. Once again, let me remind you, this formula is only applicable for regular polygon, as in regular polygon exterior angles have equal measure. Is it clear? So let us go for few more problems of similar kind. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with each of exterior angle as 22 degree? Now if it is 22 degree, can we have it as exterior angle of a regular polygon? So if it has to be exterior angle, it should divide 360 degree completely. We have just now seen, because number of sides will be always an positive integer. So let us check. So number of sides of the regular polygon will be 360 degree upon measure of exterior angle, which is 360 degree upon 22 degree. But answer comes out to be 16.3. That means 22 is not completely dividing 360 degree. So here, therefore we write, no, it is not possible, as 16.3 cannot be the number of sides, or we can write 22 degree cannot be measure of external angle of a regular polygon, since 22 is not a divisor of 360 degree. What is the condition should be there, should be satisfied? The measure of exterior angle should divide 360 degree completely, then only it can be measure of an exterior angle of a regular polygon. Again, the discussion is going only for regular polygon. Okay, now next, the other part I have kept it for you so you can do it. Now B part is, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Means now 22 degree, can it be a interior angle of a regular polygon? So if it is interior angle, what will be exterior angle? Exterior angle will be 180 degree minus 22 degree, so you will get 158 degree. Now divide again 360 by 158. Is it okay? So what will you obtain? Again you will obtain 2.2, which is not an integer. So that is also not possible. That means 22 degree cannot be exterior angle, as well as it cannot be interior angle of a regular polygon. Are you getting? So to identify whether the given angle is measure of regular polygon, if it is an exterior angle, it should divide 360 degree completely. If it is an interior angle, you should obtain exterior angle by using linear pair property and then check whether the exterior angle is dividing 360 degree completely or not. Understood? Very important questions, so you must write it very properly in your notebook. Now next question, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? Now we all know minimum possible interior angle for a regular polygon. So what is the first element? Let me know which polygon has minimum sides. So that is triangle, that is equilateral triangle. So it has 3. That means equilateral triangle will have minimum interior angle, because you must have observed that angle sum property goes on increasing with number of sides. For quadrilateral it is 360, for pentagon it is 540 degree, and so on. So it goes on increasing. That means measure of an interior angle will also increase, because it is sum divided by number of sides. So when it will be minimum? When the polygon will have minimum sides, and that is triangle, that is equilateral triangle. Okay, so we write minimum interior angle for a regular polygon is 60 degree, as polygon with minimum sides is triangle, and that is equilateral triangle. Is it okay? So next question, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Of course, yes, it will be related to again equilateral triangle, because it has minimum interior angle. So here it will be maximum exterior angle, isn't it? So we write the maximum exterior angle will be 180 degree minus 60 degree, and it will be 120 degree. And again, of course, it is for which triangle? It is for equilateral triangle. You can mention it. So this is the use of exterior angle property for a polygon, and especially for regular polygon. Is it okay? I hope you have understood. See you in next video. Thank you, students.